Okay, I'm back. Looks like I got a Doit laminated padlock. It's 1.5 inches. See on the back it says for shed, residential gate, storage units, wood cabinet. Huh. Hard to seal shackle, resist sawing and cutting, laminated steel body for strength and security, lifetime warranty. Doitbest.com. Alright, so first thing to do is I looked inside here and found out that it does look like it's brass, and even the Bible is brass. So it was a cheap lock. It was only like $8, but I've got a cutting board because I'm on my main kitchen table, and I don't want to destroy that. Okay. Looks like it's some pretty good bitting. Wow. Looks like a 4-pinner. Looks good. 2 locking pawls. Oh wow. They're actually flat plates that come out. Anyway. So let's see what it takes. Man, that's some wicked bitting. Alright, we're gonna jump into the software kit real quick. Let me see. I'm gonna start off with the Pagoda 01. Let's grab a tension wrench. This is really okay. No, we're gonna have to go bigger. Let's see if this one is the one. Well, it catches a little bit. So do light tension. Ooh. Is, I mean, that locks right up. I barely got any tension on that thing. Try rocking. Nothing. I've got a seized core. Ooh, well, nope. So I just kind of bobbed on the tension a little bit, kind of like in and out a little, and it would kind of lock up, but there is some security pins in there. Maybe it's the tolerances that let me in. Man, I don't know.